guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the raised V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make a double crochet. Now we're going to start our sequence. Skip 1 stitch, into the next one make 2 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one make 2 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one make 2 double crochet. So you can now see how this sequence is going to go. You're going to skip 1 stitch, into the next stitch make 2 double crochet, and then you're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet into the next one, and then make a double crochet into the last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Make 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and a single crochet into the second stitch. Now we're ready to start our sequence. Over the next double crochet, make a front post double crochet. Make 2 chains, 1, 2, and then over the next double crochet, make a front post double crochet. So that's going to be a front post double crochet, chain 2, and then a front post double crochet. Into the space between these next 2 double crochet stitches, make a single crochet. So it's going to be this space right here. Now we're going to start repeating all of this, starting from this first front post double crochet. Make a front post double crochet over the next double crochet. Chain 2, and then make a front post double crochet over the next double crochet. In between the next 2 double crochet into this space, make a single crochet. Into the next double crochet, make a front post double crochet. Chain 2, front post double crochet over the next stitch. Into the space between these next double crochet, make a single crochet. Front post double crochet over the next stitch. Chain 2, front post double crochet over the next stitch. Make a single crochet into the space between the next double crochet stitches. Front post double crochet over the next stitch. Chain 2, front post double crochet over the next stitch. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have a stitch and some chains left. These are both going to count as 2 stitches. So into that first stitch, make a single crochet, and then into the tops of this chain, make a single crochet to complete this row, and it's going to match the beginning of our row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 double crochet. So row 4 is going to be very similar to row 2, where we established our double crochets. So we're going to be working this same thing for row 4. We're just going to be working into chain spaces and single crochets. So into this first chain space of our row, make 2 double crochet. Skip to this next previous single crochet. So this is a double crochet, this is that single crochet. So you're skipping 1 stitch basically. Working into this one, you're going to make 2 double crochet. And then you would just start repeating this across, but you can also see how this is lining up with row 2. So we have that chain double crochet, same down here, 2 double crochet, same down here. Because you're going to need these double crochets in the same spots to work row 3 over. So into this next chain space, 2 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, into this next previous single crochet, make 2 double crochet. Into this next chain space, 2 double crochet. Skip a stitch, into this next previous single crochet, make 2 double crochet. Into this next chain space, 2 double crochet. Skip a stitch, into this next previous single crochet, make 2 double crochet. Into this next chain space, make 2 double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch, and then into each of these last 2, make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, and then 1 double crochet into the last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, and 4 in order for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the raised V-stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.